Hi, I'm Deanna with the GAR 464 and 465 from H. Potter. Constructed from brass sheet metal, this item not only provides beauty but durability from top to bottom. At the very top, there's an attractive brass cast finial for hanging. Now take a look at how the beveled glass adds style and grace to the lantern. Absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have this adorable decorative latch key and hanging brass chain that attaches to both the key and cabinet itself for added charm. The full-length hinge that you see really makes the easy-to-open glass door secure while you care for your lantern time after time. We offer large and small-scale lanterns that can easily be paired together for an impressive statement. These fabulous pieces, when used on the deck, patio, or in an outdoor room, will instantly add elegance and a stylish personality. Enhance the beauty of your backyard area today by purchasing the large and small brass lanterns from H. Potter